Most people don't go broke from one big purchase. It's the small, daily habits that quietly drain your wallet when you're not paying attention. A few dollars here, a few dollars there, and suddenly you're wondering where your paycheck disappeared. The truth is, many of us are spending money every single day on things that don't improve our lives at all. Money that could be saving us from stress. Money that could be building our future. Cutting expenses doesn't have to mean living a boring or miserable life. It simply means being smarter than the sneaky traps that take our cash without giving real value back. Today, we're exposing the 10 daily expenses you should cut immediately. And once you see what's on this list, you may never look at your spending the same way again. Number 1. Daily coffee shop drinks. A morning coffee from your favorite cafe feels harmless, right? It's only a few dollars, but those few dollars stack up quickly. If you spend $5 a day on coffee, that becomes $150 a month and over $1,800 a year. That's a vacation, a brand new laptop, a big boost to your savings. And the truth is, making coffee at home can taste just as good once you find the flavor you love. You could even treat yourself to cafe coffee once a week instead of every day. Cutting back doesn't mean losing joy, it means spending smarter. Keep the comfort, lose the unnecessary cost. A simple switch from daily cafe coffee to homemade drinks can keep hundreds of dollars safely in your pocket without taking happiness away from your mornings. Number 2. Food delivery and takeout food delivery apps are easy, but convenience comes with a price. Service fees, delivery fees, taxes, and tips often cost more than the meal itself. You might think you're spending $15 on dinner, but the final total could be $25 or more. If you order just 3 times a week, that could be over $300 a month. Cooking at home doesn't have to be complicated. Simple meals like pasta, salads, or sandwiches can take less time than waiting for delivery. You can even meal prep once a week to save time and money. Ordering food should be a treat, not a daily habit. When you limit delivery and takeout, you'll see your wallet grow, and you'll still enjoy great meals without those sneaky extra costs stealing your cash. Number 3. Unused subscriptions. Streaming platforms, phone apps, fitness programs. Sometimes we sign up and forget. These silent charges hit every month, and companies hope you never notice. One unused subscription might cost $10 or $20 a month, but multiply that by 4 or 5, and you have a serious leak in your budget. Take 10 minutes today and check what's being auto-charged to your card. If you haven't used something in the last 30 days, cancel it. You can always sign up again later if you truly miss it. You'll be surprised at how much money you free up. Your bank account shouldn't pay for things that no longer bring you value. Keep the services you love, remove the ones you don't, and enjoy the feeling of saving money without changing anything about your lifestyle. Number 4. Impulse purchases. It starts with one small item, a cute keychain, a snack, or a gadget you suddenly need. Stores are designed to tempt you with these tiny extras. But many small purchases lead to one big problem: an empty wallet. Before you buy anything that isn't planned, use the 24-hour rule. If you still want it tomorrow, then think about buying it. Most of the time, the excitement fades and you realize you don't actually need it. Shopping with a list also helps you stay focused. When you control impulse buying, you gain power over your money instead of letting your emotions make decisions. Saving money feels a lot better than owning something you forget about the next day. Your future self will thank you for every temptation you resist today. Number 5. Bottled water and soft drinks. Paying for bottled water is like paying for air. You're buying something you can get at home for almost nothing. A bottle here and a soda there might not seem like a big deal, but if you spend $3 a day, that's more than $1,000 a year gone. A simple, reusable water bottle can save you money every single day. It's also better for the planet and better for your health. If you love soft drinks, save them for special moments instead of making them a daily habit. Switching to free water is one of the easiest ways to cut expenses without giving up comfort. You'll stay hydrated, save money, and avoid extra sugar that doesn't do you any favors. Tiny change, big savings. Number 6. Smoking and vaping. Smoking and vaping might seem like a way to relax, but they're expensive habits. More expensive than most people realize. A pack-a-day smoker can spend thousands of dollars a year just to keep the habit going. And vaping, though it may look cheaper, adds up with cartridges, refills, batteries, and devices. That's money that could support your dreams instead of your cravings. Quitting isn't easy, but even reducing how much you smoke can save you serious cash. And the bonus? You're not only saving money, you're also improving your health, your energy, and your long-term happiness. Your wallet and your body deserve the break. Cutting this one daily expense could be a life-changing decision. Number 7, ATM and bank fees. Paying to access your own money sounds ridiculous, yet many people do it often. Out-of-network ATM fees and monthly bank charges steal money in the background. It may be only a few dollars at a time, but those small fees can total hundreds each year. Switch to a bank that offers free ATMs or reimburses fees. Move to an account with no monthly service charges or confusing rules that cost you money. Plan your cash needs ahead so you're not forced to use expensive ATMs. Every dollar you save from fees is a dollar you can use for something that actually matters. Don't let your hard-earned cash disappear into costs that shouldn't exist in the first place. Number 8, gas-wasting habits. Gas prices can be painful, but sometimes we make them worse without realizing it. Quick, unplanned trips burn extra fuel. Speeding and heavy braking use more gas. Idling while parked wastes fuel too. With a little planning, you can make one trip do the work of 5. Combine errands, drive at a steady speed, and carpool when possible. Even checking your tire pressure can help your fuel last longer. Small changes can mean fewer visits to the gas station and more money staying in your wallet. Driving smarter is like giving yourself a discount every time you get in the car. Number 9, brand loyalty without reason. We all have brands we love, but sometimes we pay extra for the label, nothing more. Store brands often have the same ingredients and quality as expensive name brands, especially for food, medicine, and cleaning supplies. Try switching just 1 or 2 items each shopping trip. You'll barely notice the difference in quality, but you'll definitely notice the savings. Being loyal to your budget is more important than being loyal to a logo. Choose value over branding and watch how much more money you keep each month without sacrificing the things you need. Number 10, constant phone upgrades. Phone companies want you to believe you always need the newest device, but most phones work well for years if you take care of them. Upgrading every time a new model releases costs hundreds or even over $1,000. Ask yourself, does my current phone still work well? If the answer is yes, keep it longer. Repairing a phone is almost always cheaper than replacing it. By waiting an extra year or 2 between upgrades, you could save enough money for a weekend getaway or a strong emergency fund. Your phone doesn't need to be new. It just needs to work. Thank you for watching. Today we uncovered 10 daily expenses that quietly drain your money and showed how small changes can lead to big savings. Take a moment to reflect. Which habit will you cut first? If you found this helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights that can help you save smarter and live better. Share this video with someone who might need a little money motivation too. Stay curious, stay aware, and get ready. We have more exciting tips and powerful financial habits coming soon. See you in the next video.